Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn GCP with Mahesh. In our 17 videos in 17 hours challenge, we are doing our 11th video. The question is something like this: how do you turn on a authenticated cloud functions into an unauthenticated cloud function easily? And I definitely know most of us are not with this because everybody wants it to be authenticated. But sometimes if you were to test your cloud functions quickly, you want to make it unauthenticated and want to turn it back. So how can you do that very easily is what we are going to do. By doing this, what we are going to learn is we are getting more insights into Cloud IAM. So let's get started. So we are in our GCP console and we are in the Cloud Functions page, creation page. Let's create a Cloud Functions and let's leave everything default. No need to change anything. I'm just going to click create. That's it. So leaving everything default, and let's use Node.js for example and create it. So we have just clicked on create and the cloud functions is getting created. Let's just give a couple of minutes and see how can we evoke it. So the cloud functions is now provisioned, and if you see under the column of authentication, there's nothing, meaning it's a authenticated cloud functions. Now if I just go to the cloud functions inside, and the trigger is based on HTTP, that's a default trigger. And if you wanted to trigger that, you will have the endpoint. Click on this and you will get an error message that you are not uh, you don't have access to access it in an anonymous fashion. So now assume you are in a very quick mode of testing this out and you don't want to pass all the credentials, you want to test it out quickly and without redeploying it. How can you do that? Is the whole funda of the question which we are going to try now. So just click on this checkbox and click on show info panel and just add a member because you wanted to access it as an anonymous user, all user. So the entire internet, that is what you are going to do. And the role which we wanted to give is function invoker. So this is the role which we need to go, cloud functions invoker. Just give that, click on save. So it will give you that warning message. It's going to be accessible by everyone. Now we have done that, and if you see under the authentication column, it shows us allow unauthenticated access, meaning if I just go and refresh the screen, I should see the hello world example. Now you did a quick check, everything is working fine. What you can do is you want to turn it off, just go click on show info panel because opening it to the public is always uh, dangerous. There could be attacks, so let's try to avoid it. We just wanted to quickly do it. That's the reason we did it. We are good with it. Our cloud functions is working as expected. Just remove this access to all user and your cloud function is back into the fashion where it was deployed. Now if you just go back and do it, you'll get the, okay, there's a cache. Let me just do it once again by just going to the trigger. Click on the trigger, you get that thing. So that's the video which I wanted to show how quickly you can turn a authenticated cloud functions into an unauthenticated cloud functions. So that's our video number 11 in the challenge. Thank you for watching.